loves, thank you for tuning into my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shell Love, and if you love this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. So today we're going to learn how to use the Weld tool on fonts. So let's go ahead and get into it. So we're going to go ahead and pull up our Silhouette Studio, and the first thing you want to do is type out your words. I'm just going to type Sucker for Love, and I'm going to change the font to something a little more pretty. Perfect. And I'm just going to make it a little bigger so that you guys can see. So the reason why you want to weld fonts is so that you see here where your letters are overlapping. You don't want that because when you cut it out, it'll come out really bad. So you want to make sure that your fonts, your letters in your font are not overlapping. So what you want to do is right click on your text, and then you want to scroll down to Weld and click that. Once you're done with that, that's pretty much it. Now you can see that the letters are no longer overlapping into another one. And then what you want to do is right click, scroll down and group your text back together. And that's it, guys. You have successfully learned how to weld your text. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Bye, loves.